Welcome to WithContxt, the interactive tool for event coordinators and grassroots organizers to increase turnout and participation at their events. I am Jarrod Atkinson, and I'm coming to you live from, I guess not live, from the Dallas Entrepreneur Center here in Dallas, and I'm joined by my boys, Seabiscuit, who's taking up residence on couch, and Archer, who is crashed out. So before we get into the demo, I really wanted to tell you that I don't want WithContxt to have all your information. Like, that's just creepy to me. I don't want all your contacts. I don't want to know where you've been. I don't want to know your favorite breakfast cereal, what kind of car you drive, all that kind of stuff. I just want you to use the app because you like it and it's a useful app for you. So if you take a look at this page, you'll understand my philosophy, I think, a little bit better. You can this is protect your info on the website. You can also check out the privacy policy, obviously, and the terms of use before you sign up for the app, which here it is. So if you're first downloading the app, you're going to notice things like first context row is filled up with things that I, the founder, and first actually created. So that's what you're going to see first. So you go to the bottom, you're going to see the templates or form context, and as soon as you're ready to actually commit, you're going to be asked to register. I want your email address and your phone number and your name, and that's pretty much it. Because again, I just don't want all that information. It just seems like a liability. So we're gonna take a look around. My friends and I are going to go to Tiesto later this month, so I created a context for that, and we can talk about going to Tiesto. Before we go, you'll notice that this is the first image that I loaded into the context, which also just happens to be the image that is associated with the context. So yeah, see, there you go, boom, that is the album by Tiesto. I went to the Dallas Town Hall, Dallas Bond Town Hall, so we're going to go into this context, and we're going to take a tap on the top here where it shows these tiles. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you that I took notes, took videos, pictures, and text notes from the Dallas Bond Town Hall meeting. And so the people who were invited, either they showed up and could have contributed to the conversation, or they didn't. And well, and they can go back and they can look and see what my notes were. So clearly I was not particularly happy with what they were doing. So, and how they plan to spend all our money. So see, now you get kind of the gist of where we're going with this, but you need connections in order to actually do this and participate. So you might as well add me first, right? Literally first. It's kind of like Tom back in the day with MySpace. So add me. I'm obviously added to myself, to my test account, but you can add your friends who are using the app and get started. You can also create a context. So if you see this green and white plus sign up here, it says create context. You tap that and give your challenge or your event a title, and in this case it's going to be Dallas YR and AFF meeting, and it's going to be at Deep Ellum Brewing, and I'm going to copy and paste the rules and the description, and I'm also including the link to WithContxt, the website, and I want this to be your one-stop shop for your local politics type meetings, and so I'm trying to put it on the website and WithContxt, and just kind of keep all these things in one place. The users of WithContxt so far have been politically involved or involved in charities or trying to make a difference in this world. And so I'm trying to facilitate that activity. And so we're going to give it the date and time. This is an actual event, and it has open bars. If you all want to join us, it might not be too bad a deal to join. And they're going to talk about the last legislative session and, you know, the pain and suffering that everybody endures. And next we're going to invite others. We're obviously going to invite me. Let's invite the Apple test account and some other accounts. And now we're going to hit game on, and that's going to take us back out. And once I hit OK, it's going to cycle through, and we're going to go back to the context. And when we get there, we're going to tap to add visuals and comments. And so again, the first image that you load for context is the image for that context. So I'm going to load the AFF and Young Republicans logo thing that I've got there. And if we go out, we can go down to where I have my created contexts. I've been at this for a while, so it's in here twice, but there it is. I think you see what's going on, what I'm trying to do here. It's a work in progress, just like everything else, but you know, I really want this to work for you, the user. I don't have any investors, or I don't have any other masters, so let me know if you like it and what we can do to help. And if you do like it, tell your friends.